Oh, no. Oh, that's in there. Gotta be something. Oh, something's coming out. They've got something excited in there. Oh shit. Oh no, in trouble there. Oh, shit. Oh shit. What have you done, mate? What have you done? Oh, there it is. Come on. Oh, another stick. Another stick. There he is. There he is. Come on. Come on. Don't get on that stick, mate. Oh. Come on. What are you doing? There we go. Oh. Jesus. Come on. Let me work for it. Jesus. Oh, what a bad fish. Oh. Swim, mate, swim. I don't know what's in here. That's the one. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh no, he's on timber. Where did he go? Jeez, that's a big fish. Oh. Oh, he's off it. He's off it, is he? What is this? Oh. I don't know what this is. I don't think this is a bass. About to find out. Oh, it's a bloody jack. I should have picked it. Jesus Christ. How did I land that on my bass gear? Freaking hell. Ooh. Not a bad jack. I was bloody lucky to land him on my bass gear. He's a 40. Not bad. All right, mate. Jesus. Off you go. Oh, that's the one. Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Here it comes. Back.